Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 8, 2023, and today we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial as it can greatly impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 8, 2023, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate with a score of -2.03. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation and see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend, which typically indicates a potential selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $138.10, it would signal a strong buy signal and a shift in the trend can be expected. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -1.58% change over the next 3 months. The possible return falls between -11.67% and 0.689%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 56.92% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from 49.32% to 73.71%. This translates to a price range of $201.57 to $234.50 after 1 year. Our latest update on Google brings some important news. The headline reads, "Weaker technical forecast for Google as stock downgraded to sell candidate." On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 8, 2023, the Google stock price experienced a decline of 1.42%. It dropped from $136.93 to $134.99. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 1.77%, reaching a low of $134.03 and a high of $136.40. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a decrease of 1.24%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the same day, which is actually a positive indication since volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 25 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.09 billion in value. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Google stock was $141.22, while the lowest price was $84.86. Presently, the stock price is 4.41% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $6.23. In addition, it is significantly lower at 94.49% below the all-time high, which occurred on June 14, 2021, with a price of $2,448.92. Today, we'll be discussing some recent analyst ratings for Google, symbolized as Google. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated Google as overweight with a hold action. Now, let's talk about Friday, October 13, 2023. Macquarie classified Google as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank also gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo rated Google as equal weight with a hold action. According to analysts, Google stock is currently recommended as a buy. The PE ratio is rated as a strong buy, indicating a favorable valuation, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Google stock. The moving averages, both short and long-term, are giving buy signals for Google stock. This positive forecast is reinforced by the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $132.37 and $132.13. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that there have been some negative signals recently, which may impact the stock's near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on November 22, 2023, resulting in a 2.53% decrease so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a sell signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, it provided a buy signal 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, it also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Google stock. When it comes to the downside, Google stock has some key support levels to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $125.61 and $122.28. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Google, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $122.28 and $122.17. Now, let's assess the risk associated with trading Google stock. Generally, this stock is traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, making the risk relatively low. In fact, the stock moved $2.38, 1.77%, between its high and low points in the last day. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.17%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is typically observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $1.60. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $135.31. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Google, as determined by multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 6, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 14,769 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 6, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 7,731 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 1, 2023, GV 2023 GP, LLC bought 0 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner sold 420 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 30, 2023, Arnold Francis sold 230 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -8.455, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders purchased 1,522,764 shares and sold 1,796,009 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is crucial to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Google stock a good buy? Our analysis suggests that Google currently holds several negative signals and may continue to perform weakly in the near future. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Based on recent developments in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate. However, it's worth noting that our systems indicate the current price of Google stock is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, December 11th, we anticipate that Google will open up $0.148 and start trading at $135.14. Before we dive into the content, let's address an important aspect. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money, and it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is intended to provide information and not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Leave a comment below and share your insights. What's your target for this stock? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.